So attempt number 2, just did it and realized that I had no audio when I did my screen recording, so now I know we're good and we are in business. Anywho, my name is Brittany Miller, and I am covering the 2 questions that I got wrong on the previous quiz. So the first one that I had a little trouble with was question number 3 for me, and it says, according to the comment to ABA Rule 1.2, who or what determines the objective and sets the parameters of a lawyer's representation of a client? Please select all that apply. So initially, I had put the client, the lawyer, and the law, these 3 right here. The law is the only one that I was caught in between. I knew the client and the lawyer was right, obviously, because the client is who makes the ultimatum on what happens, and the lawyer, if the client can pass on the decision making or approves it, then the lawyer can speak on behalf of the client and set the parameters and objectives. So I know these 2 are right. The law never really got a full answer to that. So, and obviously since I didn't receive full credit, so Rachel Curry had actually covered this question. So hopefully I can just add on or make it a little easier too as well. But the client and the lawyer are definitely part of it, and then the board of professional responsibility is not, obviously, because it's the ABA, and then the law, it never said anything in the ABA about it or the judge. So my reasoning behind the ABA being a part of the choice is because it is here. Let's see. Let's see. So actually, in the first paragraph is where you will find everything about the client and the lawyer, and I will show you where it is. But also, the ABA is a choice that I believe because it is on the website and it kind of sets the parameters of how lawyers and clients know who sets those parameters. So obviously, it has to be the American Bar Association as well. So for the client, it specifically says in the first paragraph, first sentence, says, subject to paragraphs C and D, a lawyer shall abide by a client's decisions concerning the objectives of representation and as required by Rule 1.2, shall consult with the client as to the means by which they are to be pursued. So this is why a client is correct. And then the second sentence, which precedes it, is the reason why a lawyer is correct. It says, a lawyer may take action on behalf of the client as implicitly authorized to carry out the representation. So that is why the lawyer is a correct choice as well. Aside from that, my next question I had a little difficulty with, which I'm pretty sure most of you had this problem as well. But luckily, my lovely teacher, Miss Johnson, pointed out that I completely just missed it, and it was in the Tennessee Professional Responsibility. So I just completely missed it. But it all has to do with Blue Book citations and whatnot, and it is located specifically on the 6th page. If you downloaded it, I just went ahead and did that since I knew that we would need it for future reference. So it says right here explicitly in bold print, standard citation format, and this is it here, which I have highlighted for you, and I will go ahead and type it out for you as well. So it reads as 10.sup.ct.r.8, all capital RPC, and then 1.0. So this is the correct citation for question number 12 in regards to if you need to cite Rule 1.0 of the Tennessee Rules of Professional Conduct. So hopefully I helped out and added on to your knowledge, and I look forward to seeing y'all this coming Thursday. Y'all have a great night.